welcome to the Sports Pod. Here we are with the preview of first Test match, India versus Australia, down under. So after 290 days, we'll be seeing the Indian team donning the white jersey down under. The first pink ball Test match that we had played against Bangladesh at Eden Gardens. So this will be our second Test match. Now I have Nishant Jain and Madhavan Menon joining me. Think like about the pink ball test match. India, after so many days, they will be playing the test match. They'll be in the white jersey, and that to a pink ball test match. What do you think, Nishant?
As you said, India played the first Test match versus Bangladesh. Kohli scored a century in that match. I hope this time also he performs.
Typical Kohli fan. What about
First
you,
of
Madhavan?
all, I'm so happy that India's having a test match after so long. It has been a very long wait for Indian fans to have a test match. And talking about the pink ball, I'm just adding what Nishant said. Kohli hasn't scored a century this year, and I hope he'll score a century.
He'll score a century.
Finish the year on high.
Maybe it's the effect of 2020. We don't know.
Yeah, but then you can't see Kohli not scoring a century.
Yeah.
So what do you think about the opening combination, the conundrum of opening combination? Like two youngsters played in the practice game, Shubman Gill and Prithvi Shaw. But we have Mayank Agarwal, whose first test match was in Australia when India had won in 2018. So he will be for sure one of the guys opening. But who do you think will be the other guy with him?
Like you said, Mayank Agarwal is always the first priority. But I would like to see KL Rahul play with Mayank Agarwal. KL Rahul has been our best cricketer after Kohli for the past 2 years. Hence, him not playing Test cricket doesn't make any sense. He has also played with Mayank Agarwal in Karnataka team, and also in IPL. Though IPL does not connect with the Test cricket. And I don't know what's the thing with Prithvi Shaw. I don't think he's still, at least now, he's still fit to play for the Indian cricket team. I don't know what selectors have seen in him for him to be selected for the squad actually.
What about you, Nishant?
I think I will go with the youngster Shubman Gill. 2 years back, Mayank got the opportunity. Now it's time for new youngster Shubman Gill.
But he formed with the kind of form KL Rahul is in.
Exactly.
I know his last 10 test innings are not, the numbers if you see, they are not much good, but still, I guess.
Yeah.
No, talking about Shubman Gill, I actually like him. I like him as a player, but I feel once Kohli goes after the first match, I think let him play where Kohli plays, but not in the opening actually. When you have set openers like KL Rahul and Mayank Agarwal, I don't think Shubman Gill gets a place.
Like, what do you think? Who are the players from Australia who will be threat for India?
Looking at the Australian squad right now, I think all the 11 players are match winners. You don't see any weakness in that game only. But if you have to talk about any match winner, it has to be Hazelwood. The kind of form he's having in the ODI, I think. He's been tremendous this year actually. I think for the past 2 years, he actually been very tremendous, and he has always been a second fiddle to both Stark and Cummins. You don't see his name, but he does all the work so silently. And I'm telling, this is one of the weakest Indian batting lineup which India is going compared to last 5 those which India stored in Australia. I think this is one of the weakest batting lineup which India has stored. And after Virat Kohli leaves in the first test, I think it's going to be a huge task for Indian batsmen to play against Hazelwood.
My guess is Smith coming back will be a huge threat for India. He and Labuschagne, both of them, if they get a big partnership, they will thrash Indian bowling.
And talking about that, I don't know what Smith has against this Indian bowling lineup. His record against Indians is so
Yeah,
good.
yeah. He's averaging 120 at home against India. So you can imagine.
Indian
What are your
bowlers.
thoughts, Abhishek? Who do you think will be the
Indian,
match winner?
I'll go for Manas Labuschagne and Nathan Lyon. I know that
Yeah,
Australian pitches are pace friendly, but I don't know why I think Nathan Lyle will be a key player because he's a really spinner.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
And also, I was reading the articles yesterday. He's got some mystery ball within.
Okay.
So now that adds to his caliber. So it will be challenging for Indian batsmen because he has trouble Indian batsmen in the past. It's not like Indians do play spin
Yeah,
well,
yeah, yeah.
but in foreign
Yeah.
conditions, he on Australian pitches he's troubled him.
He
So
took
it
the
will
most
be
wicket in that Border Gavaskar series
yes, yes,
2018-19. Yeah.
yeah. So it will be interesting to see how he bowls with the pink ball, how much turn he gets. Do you think will be the bowling combination like for India and Australia, both the teams? Like how do you think they'll be going? Three pacers, one spinner, or all pace attack
Aus-
or something?
For Australia, it's fixed. I guess it's fixed. 3+1.
Three pacers
Mitchell
and Nathan
Stark,
Lyon, lone
Cummins,
spinner.
and Hazelwood and
Yes, what and
Lyon.
Netherlands.
Yeah.
Yeah. For India, if Jadeja is fit, then India also will go for Jadeja and three pacers. And the pacer would be Umesh Yadav, Shami, and Bumrah.
Chappell has already declared before Indian
Yeah.
team declaring,
Yeah.
Chappell has already declared that Ravi Shastri has told
Yeah.
Umesh Yadav will be the third pacer. But don't you think like Ashwin will play? I know Jadeja will be the spinner, but
Exactly.
Yeah, if Jadeja is fit, he will play.
like, there
I
are
mean,
Jadeja is
if
fit.
Jadeja is fit, I agree.
no,
Jadeja is a
Jadeja along with Ashwin because
No,
you
no,
can't
no.
rule out Ashwin of the test matches.
exactly. And Ashwin provides a good balance
They
with the
might,
bat also.
they might
The
do
thing is,
that.
Ashwin provides a good balance with the
Vihari
bat
might
also.
have to sit.
Yeah, Vihari
Yeah.
might have to sit.
They are
You know how-
Indians are
Vihari
looking.
might have.
Indians are looking Vihari as the fifth bowler.
Exactly. And I
Yeah.
don't mind that actually. I don't mind
Yeah.
that. You go with the
Maybe
three paces.
they don't want to take risk of Jadeja playing the
Ja-
first test match and getting
Yeah.
injured.
Exactly. I don't mind that actually. Three pace bowlers with starting with Bumrah, Shami, and Umesh
Yadav.
Yadav,
Yeah.
and followed with Ashwin, a lone spinner, and like you said, Vihari can chip in.
Yeah. Chip in 5-10
Yeah, man.
overs.
Chip in
We
for
have Mayank Agarwal too. We have seen him bowling in the practice matches.
Yeah. Prithvi Shaw also bowled in the practice match.
Yeah.
Well, I don't think he'll be the team.
No, he will. Yeah.
The thing with India is that pace department is set unless like Umesh Yadav performed very badly in the first two matches that you want to sit. You want him to like sit out. I
Yeah,
don't
you
think
want him
pace
to-
bowling. I don't think the pace bowling lineup is going to change. It's going
Kohli,
to be at
Kohli loves
Yeah.
pacer. He can go for four
Yeah.
pacers and Vihari
Yeah,
as
yeah.
the
Vihari
as the
as the
bowler.
fifth. Yeah.
But I would also want to see Ashwin in the team.
Yeah,
but with
Ashwin is a Ashwin
But-
should
but-
be there. Ashwin should
but
be
with Jadeja in the mix, I don't know how that is going to happen.
Yeah. Jadeja brought a lot of stability in the batting order.
Batting order, like Jadeja contributes all the three
there. He
departments.
brings
Yeah,
in the
all the
less
three.
variety combination.
Yeah.
Plus, looking at the form he's having in
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
Oleg series,
You can't
take
yeah.
him out.
Yeah.
But having said that, I don't know. I want Ashwin to be in the main 11 with Jadeja.
It's difficult. It's difficult.
It's difficult
for Ashwin
because,
to- yeah.
What and like moving on, what do you think about the banter? Like we haven't seen anything in the ODIs and the T20s except Shardul Thakur being aggressive, but we haven't seen a verbal battle. So you think this time also Tim Payne might ask Rishabh Pant to take it?
Yeah.
Actually,
but-
to be very fair, this doesn't look like an India-Australia series. There's no
Yeah.
banter, there's nothing.
Yeah,
and with
yeah.
Virat Kohli leaving after the first test, it's only going to be more calm.
Yeah.
I don't.
Rane
I
is
don't see,
more calmer
yeah, and I
captain.
don't see any like aggressive like any players in Indian team. Provided if Rishabh Pant is not playing, I don't see anybody like all are like so calm and composed
Yeah.
players. There's no any. You need Virat Kohli or Rishabh Pant to be that to show the
Yeah.
Delhi aggression over there and show like we are the. And
So
same
the
applies
IPL,
to
the
Australians also.
IPL
Maybe you
is
can say Warner or Stark or
Warner
even
or
they don't have
maybe
so many.
the Pacers also they are a bit
The
aggressive. Like
so,
they
yeah,
do
but
a
other than
verbal
that,
battle,
yeah, yeah, but other than that,
but
it's not like that.
IPL has made
Friendships.
things more chill out. Like
Yeah.
on the
Yeah.
field, they are quite friendly banter.
Yeah.
Also, is we
Friendly.
see sometimes, but
And
yeah,
and
we haven't seen.
Tim Payne is not a temporary captain anymore. So
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe Tim Payne might pin that to Rahane after the
my
first
oh
test.
yeah, true.
Yeah. He
We'll never
can.
know
He
how.
will. I think he
But
will. He will.
I wish there is some banter happening because
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, there
there's
should
no
be.
there's no India
It's a test
Australia
match.
test series without any
Yeah.
without banter.
Test match
In
is
2008, in
uh,
2008, the
like
Monkey Gate case,
Yeah.
and
Then
in
Kohli showing
2004, yeah,
aggression.
yeah,
yeah. The test team's main, I would say not the backbone, but what has helped them is the aggression too. Like that has been
yeah.
a power for them. Like how Kohli has managed his bowlers, how he's ensured that his bowlers can take wickets. He's shown trust in
Trust,
them.
yeah,
He's ensured that our pacers have the capability to go in foreign conditions and take wickets.
Take wickets.
So aggression is must, but we don't know like if Rahane can manage well through his calmness and still India wins matches, then it's great.
Yeah, I mean,
yeah,
India winning is better than
yeah. India
India
will,
winning is
yeah,
any day better than it. Yeah,
yeah.
exactly. So what is like? What do you think will be the like playing 11 or something like? We all have anything in the mind? Like who do you think will be a sure shot playing in the game?
Playing 11, my opener would be Gill and Agarwal.
Okay.
One down Pujara. Two down Kohli. Three down Rane. Four down Vihari. And I will choose Pant as my keeper. Pant as my keeper. And then Jadeja. Then the three pacers, Umesh Yadav, Bumrah and Shami.
Okay. Madhur, what about you?
I mean, it's almost the same lineup except Rahul instead of Gill and
Saha
instead of Pant.
that is
And,
also going
and
to be a battle. Like
that is also going to be.
Yeah.
Saha or Pant. That will
But
be
the thing with
fun.
this Indian lineup is there are internal battles happening. Say, like for example,
Yeah.
Rishabh Pant
we
and
have too many players for one.
we have
spot.
too many slots. Yeah.
Yeah, like if you see, then
And-
KL can do keeping too, but like
And
I
you
know
never-
he's not going to do it. But
I don't think
he's an
so.
option
He
too.
will.
He's an option too. Like
He is
But
not.
I don't
what?
think he will do in test. I don't think so. He
no,
will.
no,
keep
he
in
won't.
test.
I'm just saying that he's an
Yeah.
option. Like, we have too
Option,
many
yeah.
options at the moment.
And you never know Rohit Sharma is coming back for the after the first test.
He will come
So
back.
it's going to be an exciting series actually.
Yeah.
I guess the
Like-
chances of Panta have increased because of the second practice test match.
Yes,
He scored
yes.
an 100. So
That too, 26 runs off an over.
yeah, 22, 20 runs
Yeah.
over.
He's increased his chances comparatively.
But then,
Yeah.
having said that, I think Saha
Yeah,
has
he-
more temperament compared to.
Yeah.
Like, I don't want Rishabh Pant to come when India has lost 3 wickets up front and him slogging every ball.
Yeah.
I mean, this Saha at least has temperament. He knows how to build his innings actually compared to Rishabh Pant.
Yeah,
And
Saha is better than in that situation. But if we need quick runs, quick to declare, then Pant is better. The situation, it depends on the situation.
It is completely depending upon how the depth of our batting will be and how bowling combination will be. Upon that only, I guess they'll be choosing around. But
Yeah.
you want someone who can bat long too. Even if you want
Agreed.
to score quick runs, you
Yeah.
don't
Quick
want someone
runs.
to throw a wicket away.
Yeah.
Just for the sake of scoring quick runs, you don't want Pant to give away his wicket.
The one good thing with Pant plays is that we'll have someone who's aggressive, though. Someone
Yeah.
who can give it back to the Australians.
Yeah. Someone who will give a twitch to.
He's not. I don't think so. He's a aggressive. He's a chatter.
Yeah,
chat.
but yeah,
He speaks a lot.
he speaks a lot.
He has a
Yeah.
habit of speaking
Yeah.
a lot.
Every ball we will hear. Oye, udhar jao, oye.
But he's learning too, so he's giving
Yeah.
us tips from behind the stump. But
Yeah.
that's a good thing too.
Little more temperament from Rishabh Pant. I think he's going to be the future Indian. Like
Yeah, he needs
a
his
temperament, yeah.
slot is fixed in Indian team.
Yeah.
Yeah, but because he has hundreds in foreign conditions, like in England and Australia.
Exactly,
So you
yeah.
can't rule him out. But
You-
the thing
you-
is
yeah.
that when the bat is in his favor, he doesn't capitalize it.
Hmm.
Agree.
And suddenly he'll play one inning that changes the whole scenario again,
Whole
and we are
scenario.
like, oh, Pant is the future, Pant is the future. So that is how it is.
He needs to play one stable innings, like
Yeah, one
100 ball, 40 runs, not 40 balls, 100 runs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So let's see what happened in the first test match. It will be
Yeah,
very
waiting for
crucial to like win the game and gain momentum for
Yeah.
India. Because after the first test match, we know Kohli is gonna leave. So
Yeah.
capitalizing in the first game will be a big task. Even if we lose, then we have to ensure that we still try to stay in the series rather than thinking that okay, we won't be having our top player. Because ultimately, it is what the 11 will do on the field, not only the single player what he.
Yeah.
Let's hope that India does really well in the first test match. And with this, we'll be ending the session. I hope our viewers will like it. And do like, share, and comment the video, and also press the bell icon. So thank you guys. Thank you. Thanks Nishant. Thanks Morgan.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.